Getting incense in Super Snail is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. There are several ways to get incense in Super Snail. The first one is exploration. As you explore the various locations in the game, you might encounter incense as a rare drop. The second is chest. Clearing chests in different areas can reward you with incense, but the chances may be lower than exploration drops. Next, we have events. Participating in special events and completing challenges can sometimes award incense as a part of the rewards. You can spend WTADs, the in-game currency, to purchase incense packs from the vending machine. This is the most direct way to acquire them, but it requires spending valuable resources. Also, once you unlock the gene room, you'll be able to use incense to enhance your snail stats and abilities. You can obtain incense by tapping the button on the gene room wall, but this is only possible if there are no critters currently present inside. Then, if you're lucky, you might receive incense as a gift from the other players through the gift box feature. Logging in daily can sometimes award you with incense as a part of the daily rewards.